Hi, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm an author, trainer, speaker, and coach, and I work with professionals and technical teams on topics like leadership, productivity, and increasingly on practical applications of AI, artificial intelligence, in the workplace. My personal background is in engineering and technology, and I've spent a lot of my career working with people who think very analytically and seek to solve real problems. And now in my work, what I enjoy most is helping individuals and teams unlock their potential and take tools that often feel complex or intimidating and turn them into something that's useful in their day-to-day work. Over the last couple of years, as AI tools have become increasingly advanced and capable, I've spent a great deal of time exploring how they can actually improve our workflows inside of platforms that people already use, like Microsoft 365 and using tools like Copilot. So, my approach when I train teams on AI is focusing on three clear things. Number one, practical workflows. Instead of talking about AI just in abstract terms, I want to focus on the real tasks that people are already doing every day in tools like Teams, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. The goal here is to show how tools like Copilot can help people complete those tasks faster and often with better clarity and quality. Second, I want to think about doing this in a hands-on learning environment. I've found that people do not learn well on many things, but certainly artificial intelligence by watching slides. They're going to learn it by using it. So in my workshops, participants are going to spend most of their time working directly on their computers with guided exercises and prompts that help them see what the tools can actually do for them. And third, we need to consider responsible and thoughtful use of AI. AI is extremely powerful, but we have to be careful with it. So part of the training is helping people learn how to interpret results, validate what the system produces, and use AI as an assistant that's going to really strengthen their work and be a great partner in it, rather than something that they just blindly rely on. So where we're talking about this specific engagement because you're a DOE contractor, my goal would be able to help participants leave the session feeling confident using Copilot in their actual work environment and do that very responsibly. Now, to do that ahead of the training, I hope to work with the technical teams to validate which Copilot features are available to your team so that the examples and exercises that we work on in the workshop reflect what participants can really use inside of your secure environment. And then during the workshop, we're going to move quickly through practical scenarios across the different Microsoft tools, Teams, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, with those guided hands-on exercises that allow participants to practice those workflows themselves. So the overall goal here is that they're going to be not just aware of Copilot, but already using it effectively to save time, to communicate more clearly, and work more efficiently. I just want to thank you for taking the time to review this proposal. I really look forward to the opportunity of working together and helping your teams thrive. Thanks so much and hope to talk soon.